Hello, in this video we will learn about the Indus River system in detail. We'll try to make it as short as possible. So let's begin. Firstly, the Indus River. It originates from Manasarovar Lake region in the Bokorchau Glacier and then it flows as Sengzi Sangbo or Sengzi Khamban. It flows through the Demchok region and the Leh region. It flows south of Kailas range, and once it enters India, it flows between the Jaskar and the Ladakh range. The Jaskar range is the Great Himalayas in Jammu Kashmir. The Ladakh is the Trans Himalayas. The Indus is then joined by the Jaskar river, and then there is the Nimu Dam. Furthermore, the Indus is joined by Shyok river, and the Shyok river is joined by Nubra river. The Indus flows then south of Karakoram and it bends towards the Pakistan. Secondly, the Jhelum river originates from Verinag town in Jammu Kashmir. It flows through Srinagar, which is an important city. The Jhelum river forms the Ular lake and then it is joined by the Neelam river or the Kishan Ganga river. And there is the Kishan Ganga hydroelectric project in this river. The important thing is about Jhelum is that it forms a 170-kilometer long boundary between India and Pakistan. And then it flows into Pakistan. The another river is the Chenab river. The Chenab river originates as Chandra and Bhaga. The Chandra river originates from Chandratal and the Bhaga from Suryatal in the Piripanjal region. They join and they form the Chenab river, which has the famous Ratley Dam. Other dams are the Sawalkot and the Dulasti, Dhulasti Dulasti Dam, and then it flows through the Riyasi district, which has proven lithium reserves. And then the Chenab again enters Pakistan. And the other river is the Ravi river, which originates in the Kullu hills near Rohtang Pass region. The Ravi river then flows through India through places like the Kartarpur Sahib corridor and the Amritsar city, and then it enters Pakistan, where in Pakistan the Ravi river also flows through the bank of Lahore. It is important to notice that the Chenab river is joined by the Jhelum and the Ravi, and then it again flows as Chenab. The other river in this series is the BS river, which has its origins from the Rohtang Pass region, the same as that for Ravi. The BS river has the famous Pong Dam on the border of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. The BS river then joins Harike barrage, then joins Satluj at Harike barrage. Satluj originates from the Rakastal region and flows through the Sipkila Pass into Himachal Pradesh, where there is the Bhagra and the Nagal Dam. These dams are some of the highest dams in the country and some of the oldest as well. They were formed in 1960s or 1970s. Now, the Satluj river is joined by the BS river in the Harike barrage, which is famous for Indus river dolphin. The Indus river dolphin is also called Bhulan in local language, whereas the Ganges river dolphin is called Susu, S-U-S-U, Susu. The Harike barrage is important because it is a source of water for the Indira Gandhi Canal, which is used to transport water from the Harike barrage up to the dry regions of Barmer and Jaisalmer. The Satluj river then enters Pakistan and then it joins Chenab. The five rivers then form a big river called Pajnar, which ultimately joins Indus and flows into the Arabian Sea. Now, important things to notice are that the Bay of Bengal accounts for 73% of drainage area and 90% of water. The Arabian Sea accounts for 27% of drainage area and 20% of water. The slope Indus is very gentle, and the major tributaries are Jaskar, Shyok, Gilgit, Dras, Hunzra, and Kabul. About Jhelum, it forms a 170-kilometer boundary. Chenab The Laul Spiti, as its origins, Ravi and Bias, originate in the Kulu Hills in Rodang Pass region, and the Bias has Pong Dam, which is an important dam. Yeah. So that's all for the Indus River system. See you in the next video. Thank you.